Yeah, this is called isometric drawing. Is an isometric drawing. As a pipe fitter, you must be able to read and understand isometric drawing. This is isometric drawing. This is isometric drawing. First of all, we are going to start from the fabrication materials. Fabrication materials, which is known as BON. B of materials. Here is the part number. Here is the size in inches. Here is item code. All items have their identification code. Here is the component description. Here, part 1, we have a seamless pipe, schedule 120 bevel end. Part 2, we have 4x3 socket bevel end flash socket weld. Part 3, we have 4 inches welding neck flank class 900 ring type joint RTJ bevel end. Part 4, we have 3x4 extra strong nipple plain end seamless. Part 5, we have 3x4 90-degree elbow class 600 socket weld. Part 6, we have 3x4 valve. This is valve ring type joint Assmann B16.34. Part 7, we have 3x4 extra strong socket welded flank class 1005 ring type joint socket weld Assmann B60.5. This is the erection materials. The erection materials is used in the field for installation and assembly. The erection material is used in the field for installation and assembly. It's very important to know fabrication materials and erection materials. And this is the part number, and this is the size, this is the item code, and this is the material description. So here we are having some pipe fitting symbols like weld neck flank. Our weld neck flank is here, which is the part. Part number is part 3, 4 inches, and this is the item identification code 115588519. Yes, first of all, we are having this is the part. This is the part number 1, which is the pipe. This is the pipe, and this is the flow direction. Anywhere you see this kind of arrow, it means flow direction. So the flow is going over to this way, which is the east side, because this is the north. Okay, which is the north side, because this is the north. This is called orientation. North, east, west, and south. Yes. This is the symbol of support. This support is guide support. This is the symbol of a guide support, and this is feed weld. This is a weld neck flank. This is a valve, symbol of valve. This should be a control valve. This is weld neck flank, shop weld. This is the socket, and this is nipple. This is 90-degree elbow, shop weld, shop weld, shop weld. How many shop weld we have here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 shop weld, and this is the socket word flank. This is flank 7, gasket 9, bolt 10. In case of assembly, you must check your flank numbers. Part 7 is socket welded flank. Then gasket 9, G9, gasket 9 is octagonal ring type joint gasket, metallic gasket. Then this is This is 90-degree elbow. Yes, that is how to read isometric drawing. You must know piping symbols, and you must also know flow direction. You must know the part numbers. Through the part number, you can identify all items in the isometric drawing. Like this is the part 1. The part 1 is pipe. The part 2 is, we are having succulent, which is the part 2. This is the part 2. This is it. 2, 2, 2. We are also having the part 3 is wedding neck flank. We're going to check the part 3. Yeah, this is the part 3, wedding neck flank. And this is the quality. You must also know the quality. This is called quantity. Quantity. Succulent, we are having 1. Wedding neck flank, we are having 3. The pipe is 0.9 meter. That is the quantity. Nipple, we are having 2. 90-degree elbow 1. Valve 1. Socket welded flank 1. And this is it. Socket welded flank, 2 nipple, 1 succulent, 3 weld neck flank 1, 2 and 3, and 1 valve. This is a shop weld. We are having only 1 shop weld here, one feed weld here. This is feed weld. That means this weld should be take place in the feed. This one is shop weld, shop weld, shop weld, shop weld, shop weld, shop weld, shop weld. Thank you, and I hope you subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.